American kitchens are famous for their elegant and practical engineering designs that suit the requirements of modern life, which rely on a variety of geometric shapes that blend beauty, efficiency, and comfort. Geometric American kitchen shapes can be categorized into several different types, including 1. Linear kitchens. These kitchens are distinguished by their simple and practical straight design, where appliances and utilities are arranged along the walls in a straight line, and the focus is on efficiency and ease of access to all facilities. 2. Corner kitchens. These kitchens are one of the most common forms of kitchens, as they are designed in the shape of the letter L or U, and allow facilities to be arranged appropriately in limited spaces. 3. Kitchens with a circular shape. They are kitchens that are distinguished by their circular and curved design, and they add to the kitchen an artistic and aesthetic spirit, and they are characterized by the flexibility of their design and the ease of coordination between all facilities. For open kitchens, these kitchens are characterized by their open design, as they are linked to the other living area in the house, and allow individuals to communicate and interact with each other better. 5. Kitchens with a modern design. These kitchens are distinguished by focusing on modern style and design, where materials and colors are used.